Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. Just mapping in this sleepy little kitten. It's all about shapes and angles at this stage, and it's a good stage for correcting. And don't worry about all those excess lines, because they're just going to fade away into background tone. And I don't know why the camera keeps moving up and down. I've tried to troubleshoot that. It's actually within the camera, so I like the little face I've created so far. Work on that paw now. And we'd love to see you in our cat drawing art workshop on Facebook if you are truly passionate about drawing cats. Come on over and join our community. These little toe beans are a big part of what's so charming about this pose. You can just see a hint of toe beans in there, kind of squished up. And I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat, or what you want to learn about cat drawing. And if you have a video idea, please put video idea in capital letters, and that way I can find it quickly. And I love to get your ideas. It's always good to have fresh ideas for a video. I think the markings are helping shape the contour of the face. And yes, a subscribe is always appreciated, and hit that little bell to notify you when there's a new video, which I try to get on here often. So the whisker dots, you don't have to put the whisker dots in, but I put them in, and a lot of times I fade them down, and most of the time, I think it's fine without them if you're not doing a highly detailed drawing. I want to get that mouth just right. Play up those toe beans a bit more. I want enough lines to create that expressive face, but not so many lines that'll overdo it and make it so it's hard to tell where to look. We need some lines for a tabby face. Yeah, I like the whisker dots faded down better like that. So the whiskers on the left, on our left-hand side, are a little bit squished up into the pillow. You want to kind of create that. And thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.